sometimes interactive processes and so on, and all that has to be factored in right in the beginning. So anyway, like I said, not very much more to talk about, except that this discussion, the panel discussion that would follow, is about brain and machine, a very fascinating topic indeed. To my mind, brain is actually a machine. And of course, what we mean by brain and machine is bringing in some stuff that we put together to enhance the functioning, the capabilities of the biological brain, right? But there is maybe much more beyond brain and machine. There is the mind, there is a perception, right? The riddle of perception, the mystery of perception is never solved and is unlikely to be solved by science or the tools of science and brain, because perception is a very complicated affair. Because we have machines with greater memory than brain, but they have no perception. They certainly have no self-consciousness and consciousness and so on, right? So these are some of the stuff that goes a little bit beyond the usual mechanics of brain, but is very fascinating to talk about and so on. Let me just leave with good thoughts and wish you all the best in the discussions that follow. And I wish all the very best in the continued success of TIFAC. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And with this, we have completed our inaugural session. And I would like to request our ED sir and our registrar sir to honor our dignitaries on the stage with memento. A round of applause, please. एक आप दे दी.
Customized actually. It is customized by name.
ये मेरा ब्रेन है.
What is customized? The name this is. The name. I will give you.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for our panel discussion on future of brain, a race between mind and machine. And to moderate this exclusive discussion, I would like to invite Dr. Prabhat Ranjan, our Executive Director, TIFAC, and all the dignitaries he will announce. Sir.
So may I request the panelists to come on the stage. There is no particular order, but Dr. Gauri Devi, Professor Neeraj Jain, Professor Narayan Srinivasan, and Gese Damodullah, please come on the stage.
Executive Director Dr. Prabhat Ranjan to felicitate with bouquet our dignitaries on the stage.
Let me start by a brief introduction of the panelists. I'm going to be very brief because we want to focus more on the discussion part. So to my right is Dr. Gauri Devi. She was Vice Chancellor of NIMHANS. I met her about 2 to 2.5 years back when I was giving a talk on my work with brain-computer interface. And it was the first time I was facing neurologists. But I was surprised that she wrote me a very good mail at that time. So I was very excited that people at least give some credence to the work I was doing. So thank you for joining us. So then we have Professor Neeraj Jain on my left, who is Professor at National Brain Research Center, Manesar. He's the only person I have not met before this session, but others I could meet because he was a little far off to meet. Then we have Professor Narayan Srinivasan on my right. I had a chance to visit his center at University of Allahabad, which is Center of Behavioral and Cognitive Science. I gave a talk about 2.5 years back. And then on my left, we have Venerable Geshe Dorji Damdullah. We added the La for respect. He's the director of Tibet House, New Delhi. We just met a few days back. I'm thankful to him for accepting our invitation on the email. I thought I'll go and meet and explain to him, but I saw that he accepted. I insisted in meeting him, and that was a wonderful session. And then he has agreed to come to TIFAC many times, and we hope that his first visit to this kind of function will help us to carry forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the session by a presentation, which is based on some of my own work, but more of horizon scanning process through which last 1 year the kind of activity we are seeing. So most of the information is very recent, some as recent as yesterday or day before yesterday, and some few months old. And I'm going to move very fast again because there's a lot of material there. But Dr. Gauridev is telling that don't go fast. There's a lot of interesting things. So we'll try to manage. If you feel that there's some material to be covered in more detail, we can stop and slow down. So let me go and start that.